Sorry, sir. Actually, I was having my practice.
Okay.
So after I came from school, I just slept for some time.
Okay. Not issue. So we will continue our last topic. Okay, last chapter. So we have done some formulas. Now our next formula is formula to transform the product into sum or difference form. Sum or difference form. Okay. So the first formula is, if we have two sin A cos B, okay, then we can write sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So if we have two sin A cos B, we can write sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Second is, if we have two cos A sin B, then our formula is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay. And the third is 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And the fourth one is minus 2 sin A sin B, and this will be equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Please note down these formulas, then we will do the derivation of this. We will check how we can get all these formulas. Please do this and let me know once it is completed. Then I will do the proof of this one. Better if we will remove this and change our complete formula. We will use this one, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. It is much better to remember this. Please let me know once it is completed.
Done, sir.
This one.
Done, sir.
Okay. So proof for first part. Okay, we have sin A plus B plus we have sin A minus B plus sin A minus B. If you will open this, what is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And this is what? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, cancel these. Finally, you will get 2 sin A cos B. Okay, the formula we will get. Now, for the second one, if we will open this bracket, we will get the same formula, but there is no need to remember this formula second. Okay, please, you can mark it cross on this, because if we need to cos a sin B, we can use the same formula. The sign will adjust on its own. Okay, so there is no need for the second formula. We'll do the first one, third, and fourth. Okay, I will explain you in the questions that how can we get this. There is no need for the second one. Now for the third one, okay, third is what? Cos A minus B. Sorry, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this will give you what? Cos A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, and this one cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We have cancelled this one, so we get 2 cos A cos B. Okay, so please note down these first and third proof, then we will do the fourth one.
Then, sir.
Okay, with him.
1 second, sir. Done, sir.
Fourth one. Fourth is what? Cos A minus B and minus cos B. If we will open this one, then we will get cos A cos B plus sin A sin B minus, if we will open this, we will get cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Open this, so we will get cos A cos B plus sin A sin B minus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cancel out these two. Finally, you will get 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. Okay, please note down this. Then we will try some questions.
Done, sir.
This one?
Then, sir.
Okay, very good. Please try this question. Question is convert each of the following. Convert each of the following product into sum of difference. Sum of difference form. Okay. So the first is 2 sin 5 theta and cos theta. Okay. So I will do the first one, then you need to do all. Now, 2 sin 5 theta cos theta. If you will check our previous formula, then what's the formula? 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, so you can write the formula here that 2 sin A cos B, this is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay. Now, what is A here? 5 theta. What is B here? Theta. So what can we write? 2 sin 5 theta cos theta. This is equal to sin A plus B. So that means 5 theta plus theta and plus sin A minus B. So that means 5 theta minus theta. So finally, what you will get? Sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta. This clear? Both you can use it?
Yes, sir.
Both you get this clear?
Yes, sir.
Then please try this question. 2 cos theta and cos 3 theta. Please tell the answer. And try third one. Please let me know once you complete the second one. Cos theta plus cos minus 2 theta. Let me check. So this is cos A minus B. A minus B means theta minus 3 theta. And A plus B. So that is cos theta plus 3 theta. This will give you what? Cos minus 2 theta and plus cos 4 theta. So this is equal to what cos minus theta is. I guess we have already done this formula. So cos minus theta is cos theta.
Oh, yes, sir. Actually, I forgot to write it here.
Okay. And plus cos 4 theta. Okay. So theta, you're also getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then please start the third one. If you have any, okay, so you got the answer. So sine 4 theta plus sine 2 theta. So yeah, if we will check this formula, 2 sine A sine B, so the formula is not correct. 2 sine A sine B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, Yusra?
Oh, okay. Sorry, sir. Actually, I guess I used the 2 sin A cos B formula.
Okay, so please use the correct formula and share your answer. And okay, if this is already done, then please share the answer. Utvika, very good. Cos 2 theta minus cos y theta 4 theta. Good, Utvika, that's good. Okay, then, okay, so the correct answer is cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta. Very good. Please try then fourth one. Okay, and Yusra, once third is completed, please let me.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Yusra, getting the same answer.
I don't know, sir. I got cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta.
Yeah, there's the same. Very good. Please start the fourth one. Okay. Any idea how can you do the fourth one? Any idea how this fourth can be done? Here we don't have two here. So how can you solve it? Yusra and Hotika, here the 2 is missing. So how can you solve this question? You both are on mute. So can you please reply me on the chat box? How can you solve this one?
Or do we have to break it into different elements?
We can just multiply and divide with 2. Okay, so this 1 by 2, we don't need it. We can keep this outside the bracket. In the bracket, we can write 2 sine 75 degree and cos 15 degree. Okay,
Okay.
now please solve it and share your answer. Hope you can use it. 1 by 2 sine 90 plus sine 60. Very good. Yusra, that's correct. Yusra, please start the 5th one. And Hotika, 4th is done.
So for the 4th one, we cannot further do any calculation, right?
Yes. There's no need to do the further calculation.
Okay.
Okay. If they ask us to find the value of this, then we will do the calculation. But the original question is we need to convert the product into sum and difference form.
Okay, sir.
And
2 sine 75 cos 15 by 2.
answer is 1 by 2 is sine 90 plus sine 60.
Okay, sir.
Getting the same answer, Rutvika?
No, I got 75 cos 15.
Why you are getting, please check here. The formula is sine A plus B. A plus B means
Right.
75 plus 15, 90 plus sine A minus B. A minus B means 75 minus 15, that is 60.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please do the 5th one. Please let me know if everyone has done the fifth one. Yes, you get the answer. So the next is cos 90 plus cos 60. Very good. That's correct. Hutika, there's no need to further solve this. Okay. So this is 1 by 2. And when you will write 2 here, then for the cos, we have the formula cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. So when you will subtract it, you will get 90. And sorry, when you will subtract it, you will get it 60. This clear, Utvika? Utvika, this clear?
Yes, sir. I got
No,
that. I thought
no,
we had to further divide it.
no. If in the question they ask you to solve the question, okay, if in the heading it is written that find the value of this, then you need to put the value. But here they just ask to convert the product into sum and difference form.
Yes.
Next question is prove that 2 cos pi by 13, 2 cos pi by 13, cos 9 pi by 13, cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Prove that this is equal to 0. Okay, please try this. Uh, Second is done, or you have a doubt in this?
So I'm doing it.
You have a doubt? Okay, please check here. For the second one, we
So
need to
how do
prove.
we solve the second part? Like because this one 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13, that is fine. How do we do the other one?
Yes, we will check it. So one. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let me solve it. So for this one, if you need to solve it, you can write it like this. Cos a minus b. A minus b means 8 pi by 30
Yes, sir.
and a plus b. So that is cos 10 pi by 30 plus cos 3 pi by 30 and plus cos 5 pi by 30. So Hotvika, this clear? Up to this step, you have done the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I got on with it.
Okay. Now, now for the further, please check here. There is some relation. This is 13. Okay, this is 8. What is 8 plus 5?
13.
13. What is 10 plus 3?
13.
13. So that means there is relation between these two and these two. Okay, please check here. In place of this, if we will write like this, 8 pi. Okay, so what is pi? If we will write like this, 13 pi minus 5 pi. What is 13 pi minus 5 pi?
8 pi.
8 pi. So in place of 8 pi, we can write like this. Okay, plus cos 10 pi. So in place of 10 pi, can we write 13 pi minus 3 pi by 13?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's right. Separate this. So this will become pi minus 5 pi by 30 plus cos into pi minus 3 pi by 30 plus cos 3 pi by 30 and plus cos 5 pi by 30. Okay. Now please try to solve it further. Okay, Yusra, what is pi minus theta? Yusra, what is pi minus theta? We have done the formulation. Yusra, what is cos 90 minus theta? Ludvika, what is cos 90 minus theta? Hmm? Forgot this. Please check here. 90 into 1 minus theta. So this is odd number. So cos will change into what? Please reply me on the chat box, okay? So that I can continue with this. This is the odd number. So cos will change into what? My voice is audible.
So sign.
Yes. Okay. If this is 1, this is odd, then cos will change into sin theta. Now, in which quadrant this will lie?
First quadrant.
First one, very good. Okay, so that's why this become positive. Now cos 180 minus theta. Okay, I already told you that for 180 we have cos 90 into 2. Now please tell me if this is even number, then cos will remain cos. Okay, now this line which quadrant? This one?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos is negative, that's why we will get a minus cos theta. So pi means what? 180. So here we will get minus cos 5 pi by 30 minus cos 3 pi by 30 plus cos 3 pi by 30 plus cos 5 pi by 30. Now cancel out all these, you finally get 0. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Both this clear? Okay, then please note down this and start the third part.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Then Yusra, please start the third question. In the same way, break this, then try to apply some formula. Okay, please let me know if you stuck at any step. And Hotrika, after note down this, please start the third one. Okay, Hotrika, then start the third.
So in this also we'll have to multiply and divide it by 2, right?
Yes, you need to multiply divide by 2. So what you can do, just multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Would you can use it? Please let me know if you have a doubt in this, and if you're stuck at any step. Yusra, do you have any doubt in this? Tan
Yes,
coding.
actually I'm stuck.
Okay. Please let me know. Very good, Hotrika. That's correct. So you have breakdown this. So the first one, you got cos 3a minus, sorry, cos 3a plus cos 13a. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the next one minus, and here you get cos, like this. So here you get cos 3 minus cos 13 minus, here you get what, cos 3 minus cos 21. Okay, and in the denominator, 2 sin a cos b, so you get sin a plus b, so that means 13a plus sin a minus b, so that means sin.
So
Yes,
for the first one, will it be minus cos 13 or plus cos 13?
sorry, this is plus. This plus, and similarly here also we have a positive. Thank you. Plus, in this case, what we will get, sin a plus b. A plus b means 9 plus 12, 21a plus sin a minus b. What is sin a minus b? This one, 9 minus 12. So 9 minus 12, this will give you minus 3. Now this is equal to cos 3a plus cos 13a minus cos 3a minus cos 21 by. Here we have sin 13a, okay, plus sin 3a plus sin 21a, and here we have minus sin 3a. Now these two will be cancelled, so you will get cos 13a minus cos 21 by, in the denominator this will cancel out, and you will get sin 13a plus sin 21a. This clear? Both we can use it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Sorry, you Rahul has completed it. So you now apply the formula cos A minus cos B. This formula we have done yesterday, and similarly sin A plus sin B. Okay, please check the formula. What is the formula of cos A? Yusra, this done?
One minute, sir, I'm just doing it.
But these
Okay.
kind of questions, would they ask them for like 3 mark or 4 mark?
This will be 4 marks, Pratika.
Okay, sir.
So in miscellaneous, you can get these types of questions. Otherwise, you can check the assignment. Okay.
Okay, sir. But how much percentage of the miscellaneous questions would come in the paper, sir?
Pratika, we can't say this. Okay. But miscellaneous you need to do because there's some more higher level of problems which are there in NCRD examples. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. And these are not tough question. It is just that you do not get the time to practice the formulas.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you will do the revision and check all the formulas twice or thrice, then these are not tough questions.
Okay.
Visra, this one. Visra, is it done? Sorry. Okay. Please complete it and let me know. Then we will start the next one. Yusra, any doubt in this one? Are you stuck at any point?
No, sir, no.
Okay. Let me know once it is completed, okay? Because we need to start the next one. The question is of NCRT. Okay. Please do this. Yusra, okay. Pratika, please complete this question. Okay, please let me know if you have any doubt in this.
So first I'm getting cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2 is equals to -1.
Let me check. So what the formula cos x plus cos y?
Cos x plus cos y plus sin x.
2 cos x plus y by 2. Cos x minus y by 2. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
We have done this formula yesterday. And next is sin x plus sin y. So this is 2 sin x plus y by 2.
Sin x plus y by
And
2.
cos x minus y by 2.
Yes, sir.
Looks good. Now open this bracket. You will get 4 cos square x plus y by 2. And cos square x minus y by 2. Plus 4 sin square x plus y by 2. And cos square x minus y by 2. Now take common. 4 cos square x minus y by 2 will be common. And what we will get? Cos square x y plus sin square x plus y by 2. Okay, can you tell me what is the formula of this? Cos square plus sin square? Hmm? So what is the formula of this? Cos square plus sin square? What is cos square theta plus sin square theta?
Cos square theta.
This is a trigonometric identity. We have discussed this, I guess, yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have also done this in class 10. So this is theta. Angle can be anything, but angle should be equal. So cos square plus sin square, this will give you 1. So you will get 4 cos square x minus y by 2 into 1. Is clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Please note on this and then start the next question. Then almost all questions you can do. Please note on this, then we will start the next. And this done. Shall we start next? Utrika, this is done.
Sir, start.
Okay. Then next type is on proving results and on proving result based on the formula based on the formula this one sin 2 theta. Okay, this formula we have discussed yesterday. This is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, then we have very important formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is 2 cos square theta. Okay, so these two formulas are very important. Next is 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square theta. Okay. From where we can get these two formulas, these are not a new formula for you. We have yesterday done this formula. Okay, for the cos 2 theta, we have done 4 formulas. So first formula is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. When you will shift this one to this side, okay, you will get this formula. Please check here. Shift this one to this side, you will get this one. Similarly, cos 2 theta is equal to, we have one more formula, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So shift this one here, shift that here. So you will get 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. This clear, Pratika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So please note down this and let me know once it is completed. Then we will try some questions on the basis of this formula. Question is prove that first is sine 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is equal to tan theta. Okay, please do. Pratika, please let me know once we complete the first one.
Okay, sir.
Pratika, you have completed the first one,
Yes, sir. I finished the first one.
getting the same answer.
Yes, sir. Tan theta.
Very good. Please start the second one.
Yes, sir.
Pulpika, please let me know once you complete the second one. Pulpika, second is done. Very good. Pulpika, please start the third one. Pulpika, please let me know if you get stuck in the third one. Okay, Pulpika, very good. Okay, you get a card theta, very good. Then please try this question. Find the value of. Question is find the value of. Find the value of. What's this? Cos pi by 8. Okay, please find the value of this one, cos pi by 8. Okay. I already told you that these two formulas are very important. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Please check here. If this is 2 theta, this become half of that angle. Whatever the angle you have over here in the formula, this become half of this. Okay, so here we have cos pi by 8. Okay, now what is cos pi by 8? Okay, tell me what is cos pi by, what is pi by 4? What is pi by 4? There are some standard angles which you need to learn. Okay, because every time for the standard angles, you will not waste time in converting that. So can you tell me what is pi by 4? This is equal to 45 degree. Okay, and Hokita, what is the value of cos 45 degree? Hotvika, what is the value of cos 45 degree? One by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. So that means we know the value of pi by 4. Now what they are asking of half of this. So we can use this formula. 1 plus cos pi by 4. So can you tell me what is the formula? This becomes 2 cos square pi by, do the half of this, pi by 8. This clear, Utvika?
Yes.
Now we need to find the value of this one. Okay, so what we can do, shift this to, okay, put the value. What is pi cos pi for 1 by root 2? This is equal to 2 cos square pi by 8. So this is 2 cos square pi by 8. This is equal to, take the LCM, you get a root 2 plus 1 by root 2. shift this 2 over here. So you get a cos square pi by 8 is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Now do the square root of this. So we will get a positive and negative sign. We will use just a positive sign only. Why? Pi by 8 lie in which quadrant? Pi by 8 lie in first quadrant. Okay. First quadrant, and cos is positive in first quadrant. In first quadrant. Okay, that's why we will take only the positive sign. So we get this cos pi by 8. Any doubt, Putvika, in this? Putvika, any doubt in this?
No.
Okay, then you can use the formulas. Sorry, you can find the value of sin pi by 8. Now tell me this formula, 1 minus 2 cos, sorry, it is 1 minus cos 2 theta. Putvika, what's the formula of this? 1 minus cos 2 theta? Putvika, formula of this, 1 minus cos 2 theta? Putvika,
2 cos
2 sine square theta. Okay. So put this formula over here, find the value of sin pi by 8 and share the answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it root 2 root minus 1 by 2 root?
Yes, that's correct. Root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 utter root. Okay. Now next one. Third one. Third is tan pi by 8. Okay. So how can you do this? Tan pi by 8. You can just put the value sin pi by 8 by cos pi by 8. Okay. We have this formula. What is tan? Tan is sin by cos. Okay, Atika? So just put this formula. So finally you will get what here you will getting the under root 2 minus 1. So you will get under root 2 minus 1 by under root 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, finally, you can, if you wish, you can rationalize it. So this will give you under root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1. Okay. So this will give you under root 2 minus 1 square. Here you will get 2 minus 1 under root 2 minus 1 square by 1, which will give you root 2 and this answer. Both of you please note down this. Okay. And then we will do one more question. Please confirm me once this is done.
Done, sir.
Very good. Next one. Next fourth question. Fourth is if tan x is equal to 3 by 4, and x is greater than pi and less than 3 pi by 2. Find the value of values of
Okay, sir.
So I will help you in this quickly. Okay, so we have the formula for cost. Okay, we have a tan. So what we will do, we will use this identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square. Okay, this is not a new identity for you. But this formula 3 by 4 whole square, there's a, okay, this is not theta, this is x. Okay, you can write sec square x. So 1 plus 9 by 16. This is give you sec square x. And sec square x is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 by 16. So sec x you will get plus minus 5 by 4. Okay. Now, can you tell me in which quadrant this will lie? X
So
is
will it lie
between
in second quadrant?
third quadrant.
Okay.
Between pi and 3 pi by 2. Okay. In the third quadrant, what is sec? Positive or negative? Sec is negative in third
Negative
quadrant.
only. Yes, sir.
Yes, in third quadrant. So what we will take? We will take a negative.
-7.
So if sec is this, then what is cos? Minus 4 by 5. This is correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we will start with this. Cos x by 2. So what's the formula? If we have cos x 1 plus cos x, so this will become what? 2 cos square
Mm.
x by 2. This is correct? 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. We will check this formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. And this is what? 2 cos squared theta. The angle become half. So if here we have x, so here we will become this become x by 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, 1 minus 4 by 5 is equal to, okay, we can put the value here. We will get a 2 cos square x by 2. So solve it. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 5. This will give you 2 cos square x by 2. We will get cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 10. Okay. Now, here we have the angle x by 2. So we need to decide that this lie in which quadrant. So x is between pi and 3 pi by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We need x by 2. So divide this complete with 2. So you will get pi by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. So greater than 90 and less than 3 pi by 4. What is 3 pi by 4? If we will convert, we will get a 115 degree. So between 90 and 115. So this line which quadrant?
Now is it
In which one? Y first, greater than 90. 0, 90 and 180.
quadrant?
Second quadrant, okay. So cos, and this is negative. Cos x by 2 is negative in the second quadrant. So we will write cos is negative in second quadrant. In second quadrant. This clear, Puthika? Okay, now Puthika, can you find the remaining values? How can you find sin x by 2? Just check the previous question. How we have find the sin x by 2? If we will check the previous one, then for the sine, we have used which formula? 1 minus 1.
Yes, 1 minus.
Okay, so if we need the sin x by 2, we will use the formula 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so can you do this in homework? Sin x by 2?
Yes, sir. I'll do it, sir.
And how can you find then tan x by 2?
1 minus tan x.
Just check the previous question. How you have find the tan?
Sin X.
How we have done that?
Okay.
Sine by cos.
Sin by cos.
Tan is sine by cos. So you will get the value sin x by 2. You will get the value cos x by 2. Just divide that. You will get tan x by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then. Okay. So this chapter is almost complete. Your graph is remaining, and there is one more formula. So hopefully in this next class we will complete this chapter, and then we can also start the linear integration. Okay. So now the homework is exercise 3.1 to 3.3 plus miscellaneous. Okay, and plus Nikhil sir has shared assignments with you. So assignments 1 to 7. Let's first complete the NCRT. After that is start the assignments. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Uthika. Then we will continue this in the next class.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.